How's it going, folks? We got our hands on the Nvidia Sheild TV Pro, which is a high-end streaming device with exceptional all-around performance. It has a powerful processor to run games smoothly and outstanding image quality, and it can act as a solid smart home hub for around $200. While that's a little bit expensive, it is easy to see why it's considered one of the best streaming devices for gamers. But how does it compare to other high-end streamers on the market? And after you get it, what should you expect? The Nvidia Sheild TV Pro's setup process didn't take very long. It provides a really good blend of flexible configuration and simplicity. You plug it into your TV through the HDMI cord, but it doesn't include one in the box. Then, you connect to your network and sign into your Google account. It also conveniently pulls passwords that you've saved from Chrome, and it automatically signs into other apps for you. It gives you some configuration settings to enable Dolby Vision or to adjust the AI upscaling, and advanced users can even set up a Plex media server. You can also sign into your Steam account and play any supported games that you've purchased. It comes in a compact design that can lay horizontally or stand up vertically. While I would have liked to see an included Ethernet cable, it does give you a comprehensive array of ports, including a gigabit Ethernet port, an HDMI port, and two USB 3.0 ports on the back for additional storage. I also like that it has a reliable Bluetooth 5.0 compatibility, so it's easy to connect peripherals, which is perfect for gamers. It utilizes dual-band Wi-Fi technology that delivers a stable connection, but I would have liked to see the speedier Wi-Fi 6 considering the price. The Android TV interface provides a solid user experience with plenty of useful features. It has rows of content based on the apps you've installed, and the top row provides you an overview of your most frequently used services, while the other rows give you content recommendations. I also appreciated that you can reorganize the home screen to your liking. It has a continue watching bar, but it's somewhat inconsistent and it doesn't work for every service. Even more, it has a built-in Chromecast feature, so it streams content from other devices directly to the screen. Android TV has comprehensive support for most major streaming services, including Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and the Plex app. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, the Roku Ultra is half the price, and it comes with a wide range app support and a more intuitive interface, but the performance is much worse while gaming. I also thought the gaming performance was exceptional. It has GeForce Now support, which is a free service with a continually growing library that allows you to play popular PC titles without needing a gaming PC, although the quality is somewhat dependent on your internet connection. It works by creating a remote server that streams to your screen, and it runs with a maximum resolution of 4K at 60 FPS, and that delivers outstanding picture quality. Unfortunately, I thought the performance could be inconsistent, and some games run better than others, but the titles do load quickly and the updates are automatically installed. The Game Stream feature allows you to stream games from your PC to the Sheild TV Pro, but only with compatible Nvidia GPUs. It uses a new Nvidia Tegra X1 Plus processor with a 256-core GPU, 3 gigs of RAM, and 16 gigs of storage that deliver a powerful performance and seamless switching between apps. It can play 4K video at 60 frames per second and provide a pretty detailed image with relatively realistic colors. It supports several HDR platforms such as HDR10, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos that easily delivers cinema-level audio. I also thought that the AI upscaling was outstanding, and you can easily toggle it on or off. It uses a neural network to transform content that runs below 4K, which provides a noticeable improvement in sharpness and color quality, but it doesn't work on content above 1080p, and it can be heavy-handed at times. I recommend turning it off when you're watching movies or TV shows. The remote has all the essential playback controls and a dedicated Netflix button, but it has a prism shape that can be hard to lay down flat. While I would have liked to see a rechargeable battery, it runs on AAA batteries and it can control your TV's power and volume for convenience. The remote also has a built-in microphone that allows voice commands with Google Assistant and Alexa, and it can act as an efficient smart home hub. If you're looking for an alternative with excellent voice support, especially if you're already on the Amazon ecosystem, the Fire TV Cube also has built-in microphones and conveniently displays visual information, but it has some inferior specifications as well as a larger form factor. Overall, the Nvidia Sheild TV Pro has gamer-friendly features, and it comes with a comprehensive number of streaming services built in. With its consistent wireless connection, ability to create a private server to run games, and its outstanding picture quality, it's understandable why this is one of the top streaming devices for gamers. Is it perfect? No. The Roku Ultra offers similar picture quality for less, and the Fire TV Cube has superior voice assistant support. However, the Nvidia Sheild TV Pro has an excellent AI upscaling, access to a growing library of games, and it's designed to deliver a class-leading gaming experience. I would recommend this if you want something that runs games well and you can reliably stream stunning 4K content. But that's just my opinion. Let me know your guys' opinions in the comments. For links to updated pricing on all the items mentioned, check out the description. And if you guys learned something or you found this video helpful, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like short, informative tech videos. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.